Hello folks, this is a roof and gutter de-icing kit. Check this out. Bought this from Lowe's many moons ago. I'm sure it's still available. See what it does? It actually hooks up to your roof shingles, goes into your gutters a little bit, and it melts it so that you don't have this problem. And it's going to take a couple days before it melts. It's worked out pretty good, I'll tell you. I've had it for many years. Plugs into an outlet, then I run it right up into the roof, and then I'll show you what it does up there. Alright, so if you guys want to see what it looks like on top of the roof, this is what it is. It's basically just a loop system. Goes up, down, into the gutter, because one of the wires is going to run a long ways. So as it loops down, it's going to hook onto that wire, it's going to come all the way around, into the corner, and all the way around. Alright? This is good to keep the ice out of the gutters, keeps the ice from coming off the roof, behind the gutters, and into the house, especially if you have a bay window. Like I said, the reason why this is on here in the first place is because when the roofer was here with the contractor, nobody was home. Nobody watched the idiots. When they took the old roof off, there used to be a membrane here so that the ice does not go back into the house once it melts. So we didn't know that the membrane was there until like 8 years later when we had our first ice storm. So for now, temporarily, this works great. I've been using this for years. All right, better than redoing the roof. Of course, you know, nobody ever matches a roof no more, so that's gonna be a hard time. So this is good. Listen, 2-3 months out of the year, goes right into the gutter, melts it, works great. All right, thanks. Ciao.